What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to walk you through how to dissolve an LLC in Illinois. Dissolving an LLC in Illinois involves a series of legal and administrative steps to properly wind up the business and terminate its existence. It's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth and compliant dissolution of the LLC. Here is what you need to do. Approval of owners. The first step is to get approval from the owners of the LLC. For corporations, shareholders must approve, while for LLCs, members grant approval. This decision should be documented and placed in the corporate record book. File certificate of dissolution. After obtaining approval, you must file the certificate of dissolution with the state where the LLC was formed. This document officially ends the existence of the LLC in the state of incorporation or formation. Winding up affairs. Once the LLC is dissolved, the members or managers must begin winding up its affairs. This involves discharging debts, settling activities, and distributing remaining assets to members. Notify creditors and close accounts. Notify creditors of the dissolution, close out bank accounts, cancel business licenses, permits, and assume names, pay creditors, establish reserves for payments, and file final tax returns and reports. Pay taxes. It is crucial to pay any outstanding state taxes before finalizing the dissolution. Some states require proof of tax payment, known as a tax clearance requirement, which must be filed with the Secretary of State. Withdraw from other states. If the LLC was registered as a foreign LLC in other states, it is essential to withdraw from those states as part of the winding up process. Distribute remaining assets. The final step involves distributing any remaining assets to the LLC members as outlined in the operating agreement or state laws. By carefully following the steps outlined, you can successfully dissolve your Illinois LLC in a thorough and compliant manner. With the right approach, you can efficiently close down your Illinois limited liability company and move on to a new endeavor. The steps may seem daunting, but taking them one by one will lead you to a successful LLC dissolution. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.